Hyaluronic or HA fillers are primarily used in cosmetic medicine to restore volume, enhance facial contours, and smooth out wrinkles. They work by injecting a gel-like substance beneath the skin, which not only provides immediate volume but also attracts and retains water, helping to hydrate and plump the skin. This makes them useful for a range of applications, such as filling the nasolabial folds and lip augmentation to restoring youthful volume in areas such as the cheeks and under the eyes. The common areas that we volumize include the cheeks, the temple, and also the jawline. They can of course be used in the nasolabial and also the marionette area to smooth out the lines. And it enhances the lip by adding volume and also definition to the lips. Therefore, it is useful in the overall facial contouring, such as filling up the temporal hollow, the sides of the cheek, and then enhance the jawline.